Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, can you hit that subscribe button please? It'll only take you a second and it'll help out the channel. Thank you very much. Okay, today we're going to do some subroutines. We're going to add some numbers together and we're going to run the subroutines. So first off, I'm going to start my first subroutine and it's going to be called add numbers. Okay, so that's the start of my subroutine. And now I'm going to do some curly braces here, or curly brackets, and just put that down there. And inside I'm going to create my first variable. So it's going to be a scalar. I'm going to call it var1 is equal to 15. Okay, so var1 is equal to 15. And then we've got var2. And that's going to be equal to 20. So var2 is equal to 20. And now we're going to add the numbers together. So that's going to be a scalar that I'm going to create called add numbers. So if anybody sees that, they'll know what it's all about. Okay, so add numbers is equal to var1 plus $var2. Okay, right. Okay, now just I'll just knock that up a little bit, just underneath that there. Let's have a look. Oh no, forgot the most important thing, to print it out, of course. So we're going to print the values are. So we're going to print out the values of var1 and var2. So we're going to do that by calling add numbers there, and we're going to go on to a new line. Okay, right. Okay, the next one, but before we do that, first we've got to call it. We've got to call that function. So I'm going to call it by using this add numbers. Okay, so let's just save that and see if it works. Just run it. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. The values are 35. 20 added add 15, 35. Okay, I'm just going to create another one now. Another little subroutine, and I'm going to call it subtract numbers. Okay, again, create our curly braces here, and we're going to put some code in between there. So I'm going to create another scalar variable here. I'm going to call it var1 again, equal to, and it's going to be equal to 10. Okay, then we're going to do var2 here, and that's going to be equal to, let's say, 20. Okay, and now we're going to create another scalar called subtract numbers. Subtract numbers is equal to var1, and that's going to be minus. I've got this mosquito buzzing around me and biting me at the moment, so it's putting me off a little bit. So that's going to be var2 there. Okay, and we're going to print out the information here. So we're going to print out the values are, and there we go, subtract numbers. Okay, so new line for that as well. Okay, now all we've got to do is call it. So we're going to call it by doing this again and subtract numbers. Okay, now we're just going to save it and run it again, and there you go. The values are -10. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie yet again. So I hope you like this program, and I hope you like this, and I hope it's been helpful. Remember to give it a big thumbs up and take 1 second of your time to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.